Here's moving tip number 1 of the 7 things I'm doing before I start packing. I'm a professional organizer. If you want to know more about my move and all the details around this moving series, see the description wherever that is. Step 1 of 7, in no particular order, collect boxes. There are so many boxes in the world, and moving boxes are kind of pricey. Start looking around your house for all those empty boxes. I'm sure you have some. Maybe Chewy, Purple Carrot, or Amazon. Call or text your friends and family. Ask if they have some boxes. Also, see if they know somebody who's unpacking. You can check out Facebook Marketplace. Some people may post their post-move boxes. Everybody has their own feelings about using secondhand boxes, so use to your discretion. You can also go to local businesses such as big box stores and liquor stores to also ask them for boxes. A lot of people like using liquor boxes, but I don't prefer them. They are a little small, unless it's something really heavy like books, but the tops can be sometimes compromised, so things won't stack very well, and if there's something fragile inside, it may get crushed. I used to work at Bed Bath & Beyond, and when you go into a big box store to ask somebody for boxes, it really depends on who you get. There may be some things I will need to purchase a very specific shaped or sized box for towards the end. And don't forget to look for newspapers too. Wrap those fragile items. Stay tuned for part 2 of the 7 things I'm doing before I pack. Happy moving!